Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mitch Conditt. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about calibrating a Dorsal appliance. Most of the time we're going to calibrate this appliance for you, but there may be some situations where you're going to calibrate this yourself, or after some period of time you may need to make some adjustments to the appliance yourself. That might be rare, but just in case that happens, we're going to give you a demonstration on how to calibrate a Dorsal appliance. Here's a typical Dorsal appliance. You can see you put the upper and lowers together. Now the goal of calibration is simply turning a screw here, which moves this piece forward, which moves this lower wing forward, which moves the mandible forward or the lower jaw forward, and that's what opens up the airway. So to show you how to adjust this, you would only need the upper appliance. That's the only one that's going to be calibrated or adjusted. You'll look on both sides and you'll see an arrow. This arrow goes down on this side. It goes up on this side. When you want to move the jaw forward, you always want to turn the screw the way the arrow is pointing. It's this center screw that we're going to turn right here. It's the only one that has the little holes in it. So if we adjust this, we're going to put our little key in the hole, turn it up. That's one turn. That's two turns. We want to go to the other side and do the same thing. Follow the arrow. One turn. Two turns. So that would be calibrating the appliance two turns. You're always going to go both sides an equal number of times. Now let's say you need to go backwards for some reason. Maybe your jaw is tired, jaw's sore, or just for some reason we need to go backwards. You're going to do the same thing, but you're going to go the opposite way that the arrow's going. So now the arrow's pointing down and I'm going to go up again. One, two. We're actually back to zero now. We'll go on the other side. Arrow's going down, so I'm going to go up. One. Well, here's a good example. This, we haven't gone all the way down. See that circle right there? We're not quite down far enough to get it on the other side. So I'm going to go in it. Now, there we go. That should be sufficient. We'll go in with the key again. Sorry, there it is. All the way up. Now this side is back to zero. So you might want to go backwards if perhaps you were having some problems with some sore muscles or something. Another reason that you would go backwards is if you were turning on both sides, going forward, and maybe you forgot to count on one side, because you do not want to turn one side further forward than the other side. Anytime you forget a count or lose track, just simply take both sides all the way back to zero and then start over going forward again. So that's our calibration. Hope that makes sense to you. If you have any questions, please give us a call.